Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel as I hope you all are doing good. I know you were waiting of my latest video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. So let's start the video. I am presenting beautiful short, long, bob haircut ideas with blunt haircut, inverted haircut, with bangs, without bangs, with chin length, with short length, with long length as well. I am showing beautiful short and long blunt bob haircut ideas. These all blunt bob haircut are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So ladies, don't waste the time. Just pick up your favorite one from them and go to your hairstylist. These all haircuts are really amazing, beautiful, outstanding that will enhance the beauty of yourself and personality as you are beautiful already. You don't need to style them after getting these hairstyles for a long time. After getting these hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime, like outside, get togethers, kitty parties, functions, and everywhere. So, hurry up, ladies, and pick up your favorite one. No doubt, beautiful haircut change the look and personality and beauty of the personality as well. I hope you like this video today. If you do, you can share your ideas that you like this video, and you can also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. If you like the video, you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend, because I make video on fashion and trend always. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. I will be there in next video. Till then, take yourself. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all. And again, like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care yourself and have a great hair day.